Hello friends, Ravneet Bhalla presents an easy gluten-free rusk recipe for my gluten-intolerant friends with jowar. The cake rusk uses jowar or sorghum flour as a base, jaggery to sweeten it up, and a mix of homemade malai and curd as fat. All in all, the recipe is pretty simple and gives you crunchy almond pistachio biscottis that you can enjoy with your hot cuppa. Please remember, I have not used baking powder or soda in the rusk recipe. However, I suggest using half teaspoon of baking powder to lighten it up and add to the crunchiness of these eggless toasts. To start with, let's take malai and thick curd and whip it up until combined. You may add fennel seeds here. Now you will need to sweeten it up with jaggery powder and start the creaming process. Please refer to the ingredient list in description. You may use an electric beater to cream it until it reaches stiff peaks. Here, please add baking powder and mix it quickly, though I have not used any chemical agents in the recipe. Now let's add gluten-free jowar atta and mix it all. I have also added 1 tablespoon of makki or cornmeal for the color here. Skip if you don't have makka atta. Add 1 tablespoon extra of jowar instead. Throw in chopped almonds and pistachios and mix. Preheat your air fryer to 160 degrees Celsius for 5 minutes. Make 3 loaves from this dough and bake for 20 to 30 minutes at 160 degrees Celsius. Bake longer if the cake looks unbaked. Let the jowar cake cool down before slicing it and then double bake the slices at 120 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Check if they have turned crispy. Otherwise, flip side and bake again at 120 degrees Celsius for 10 to 20 minutes or until they crisp up. Let the cake rusk cool down before dunking it into a hot cuppa. Enjoy healthy cake rusk. Please share your feedback in comments. Take care. Bye bye. See you soon with yet another healthy recipe.